Split EQ is not your typical EQ. Reason being is because you can control the transients and the tone of a signal. If your music's lacking a bit of punch, clarity, you can use this EQ to shape, to add transients and tone to your music. So if you've got split EQ and you're not too sure how to use it, or you've been thinking about getting split EQ, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of this plugin. So first of all, let's open up split EQ and just quickly go over some of its features. So with split EQ, we can use it like a regular EQ. We can boost, we can cut where we want, change the cues, change the sound to whatever we want. But that's not the purpose of the video. That's not what we're talking about today. So the video is to show you why split EQ is special. So similar to other EQs, you've got your different EQ bands. In total, you've got eight different nodes, different filter types in this EQ. The first one is your low cut, high pass. That's usually turned off. And then you've got the rest of them going across all the way to your high cut, your low pass. So 1 to 6 can change the filter type. Low shelf, peak, notch, high shelf, tilt, and band pass. Pretty cool. You can move across the frequency spectrum and you can change your cue. So the different functions on each of these filters allows you to change the frequency, change the gain, cut, boost, and change the cue. If you look, there's transient, which is green, and then there's tonal, which is blue. And these can be controlled from their individual sides. So as you can see, you can change the size of the plugin, which is always nice just to be able to get really stuck in if you need to. Unlike some where you have to click and you got large, extra large, mini. This one you just drag to whatever size you want it, which is a nice little touch. So that's your different filters, your different nodes. And that's the section of your nodes down the bottom here. Then at the bottom, you've got your different split sources, which is something I'm going to talk about in a minute, because that there is a super cool feature. And this as well, I'll talk about that in a second. And then you've got your pre and post analyzer. So you can change the analyzer to pre, post, or just turn it off. And then you've got the analyzer options that you can change. You can freeze if you want to. And change the decay times. I'll just leave it as it is. Normally, I don't really interfere with all of that. Let's turn back on the analyzer. And then you've got your EQ scale. So once you've made different cuts and boosts, you can change the scale of your EQ. Again, you've got the two different sides of the EQ. You've got the transient and you've got the tonal. So the transient's in green and the tonal's in blue, if I haven't mentioned that already. And then you've got your dB. So if you want to turn the EQ up or down, you can. And at the top here, you can solo the different splits, solo the transients, or you can solo the tonal. And the reason why you use that is so you can hear exactly what you're affecting, which is when this part comes into play, which I'll talk about in a sec. So you've got a default section with some presets. It's always nice to have some presets. So when you've got presets, you can click on something and then you get a starting point that you can tweak for yourself. You can save presets, your own presets that you've come up with. Just going to save as, type your name in and click save. Haven't got no presets for myself yet. And then you've got your A/B section. So if you've made a little move and you want to try something different next time, you can change it and then toggle between A and B. Make your changes. So make a change in A and then go back to B. Make a change and see which you prefer. So let's talk about the juicy part. What I like about this plugin is the source. So for example, if you're using this EQ across your mix, the whole mix, you can turn the algorithm on to full mix, kick, snare, tom, cymbal, full, so many options. So you just choose the algorithm. So we've got that on a vocal. We're going to put it on vocal. So let's just listen to this vocal.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even.
So I want the vocal to have a bit more body. I know it's in solo and I should be listening to it with the beat. I feel like it's a little bit thin and maybe I can get it to be a bit more punchy in the top end, a bit more clarity, a bit more, you can hear the nuances in his voice. So let's try that. So what we would do is we can use the tonal section of split EQ to add some body. So that's a tone, add some tone. You can also use the transient section. And then for the higher section, we're going to add a little bit of air and boost the transients at the top end. But first, before we do that, I'm going to put it into solo. So I want to hear what the transients is doing. I want to hear how the transients are going to cut through. So we can either solo it down at this bottom section here, or we can solo it at the top right there, just by clicking on transient or tonal, depends on what you're using. We're using transient this time. So we've soloed the transients, and then we're going to use this separation filter and hear what we're actually doing. So
let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah, running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get.
And then decay is decay, so it's gonna make it less. It's gonna make it more punchy. The separation. It's gonna take out some of the unwanted stuff, and we've got the smooth there to try and smooth out some of the artifacts. But it's not gonna sound like that when we take it out of solo.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy.
I like that where it is. Take it out of solo.
You got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see.
And we'll bring the beat back in.
But you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys.
So I'm just gonna add some transients to the top end.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find
a little bit of air.
Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see.
So I've exaggerated a bit so we can hear what's really happening, but you can hear what it's doing and it sounds nice.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip.
You can also double click if you want to just type in a value, which is always nice. Some people like to double click and type in numbers, and yeah, if you don't want to just scroll up and down. But that there is what it does with vocals. So I'm going to show you what it can do across the full mix. So open up Split EQ. So this is across the full mix. I've left the algorithm at full mix. So I just turned on solo in the transients just to hear what's happening in the transients, in the transient section.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go.
So if you notice that when I boost the decay, it brings in more of the whole mix. And when I drop the decay, you can hear how it starts to tighten up on the kick and some of the vocals.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through
I'm gonna leave it there. Let's see what we can do.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the...
So I've boosted 5.5k with the transient, and you can hear how the vocal starts to push forward and it's a bit more clear, and that's across the whole mix. So I wouldn't really need to, I could do that on the vocals first, but if you don't have that option, then this is what this EQ can do.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like
Oh, now I boosted some of the tone in the low end, and it's made the body of the beat, the music, a bit more fuller sounding. And let's try and get some of that kick out as well.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find it.
So if you want to solo, I can't remember if I mentioned it earlier, but if you want to solo a particular band, you've got your options here. You can just go down to 1, 2, 3, whatever it is you're using. Hover over the headphone section and you can just solo it from there. And if I didn't mention earlier about scrolling to change the cue, you can do that there as well on your actual node, just with your mouse. It's quite intuitive. It's like almost like every other EQ, just it splits the tone and the transients. So don't worry too much about it. So let's just hear in solo what it's doing to the kick.
Let's go.
So okay, 80 hertz. 100. Let's see how that sounds all together.
Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go.
Bit too much, but
yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go. Sipping on this candy.
I like it around there. I think it sounds nice around there.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find the keys. Damn, I'm so in love and it's easy to see. Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but I can't find a key.
So I've dropped the volume by about a dB because it was making it louder and making it appear like it is better. So just matching the gain and getting that to just listening to what it's actually doing, what the EQ is doing, and it sounds cool.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah. Looking for the whip, but
I just love the way it changed the tone, especially when I boosted 3 dB at 240 hertz, low mids. Lovely.
Let's go. Sipping on this candy paint like it's Hennessy. Yeah. Running through the world and you got nothing on me. I'm trying to get a vision, but I can't even see. I'm blinded by the light, but you're so into me. Yeah.
Now you see why this plugin is incredible. Being able to just strap it across the main bus and make a few tweaks, give it more of what it's missing and getting that sound that you crave. So if you've enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.